Today we're flying high with the SHOUG601 Max Drone, a versatile, powerful quadcopter built for creators who want reliable aerial footage with pro-grade features. Design and build, portable yet powerful. The SHOUG601 Max strikes a balance between portability and performance. Fold it down to a compact size, about 16.5 by 9 by 9.5 centimeters, perfect for travel or a spontaneous hike. When unfolded, it stretches out to roughly 36 by 21 by 9.5 centimeters, giving you full stability and lift power for smooth flights. Its build suggests it's ready for serious aerial photography and video sessions, whether you're capturing landscapes, cityscapes, or action footage. Camera and footage quality. Smooth, stabilized shots. At the heart of the SHOUG601 Max is its 3-axis mechanical gimbal, your guarantee of stable, shake-free footage. Coupled with a sharp HD lens, this drone is designed to deliver clean, crisp aerial video. The drone supports digital and Wi-Fi image reception, giving you real-time control and feedback, ideal when you're flying high or maneuvering through tricky terrain. Whether you're filming a scenic sunset, a travel vlog, or just testing aerial angles, the SHOUG601 Max gives you a stable image platform you can trust. Flight performance, range, battery, and control. Powering the SHOUG601 Max is a 3800 mAh battery, giving approximately 23 minutes of flight time, long enough for aerial explorations, short video shoots, or capturing several landscape passes. With a control range of around 6 kilometers, you've got the freedom to fly far and wide, explore wide-open spaces, or get creative with high-altitude shots. And if you're flying for fun or for content, the range and power make this drone versatile enough for both. Why SHOUG601 Max might be the sweet spot between price and performance. For creators who want a drone that's more serious than a toy, but don't need the highest-end professional drone, the SHOUG601 Max offers a solid middle ground. Portable size, foldable for travel, mechanical gimbal stabilization, real-time Wi-Fi digital transmission, long enough range and battery for most flights, easy setup and user-friendly for both beginners and enthusiasts. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? If you're looking for a drone that balances convenience and capability, something compact enough to carry anywhere, yet powerful enough to capture smooth aerial footage, the SHOUG601 Max is worth serious consideration. Whether you're exploring rooftops, scenic trails, or urban skylines, this drone gives you a chance to see the world from above with clarity and stability. So grab your controller, unfold the arms, and let's take off.